Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to show followers on Facebook profile. So for that, first of all, you open your Facebook application and then you need to get logged in into your account. I am already logged in into my account of the Facebook. So here what you need to do is you need to go to the profile of yours. Tap on the profile icon. Once you're at the profile icon, you need to tap on the three dotted a particular horizontal lines just beside the edit profile. You tap that option. There, inside profile setting, you need to tap on the follow settings on the top. Tap on it. Here you will have the followers and public content of your Facebook. There you need to scroll down and look for who can see your followers on your timeline. Currently my setting is saved as only me. Currently only I will be able to see the followers that I have on my Facebook. For you to make these changes and show other people the followers list, you need to tap on public. Once you tap on the public, all the other people on the Facebook will be able to see your followers on your Facebook profile. So this is how you can show followers on Facebook profile. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.